Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Granny Recaptured without using Steam. First, open your browser and go to the Game Jolt website. In the search bar, type Granny Recaptured and press Enter. Look for the result made by Buttery Stancakes. Click on it to open the game page. On the page you will see a download button, usually for the 64-bit version. Click Download and wait for the file to finish. The file may come as a zip folder or as an installer. If it is a zip folder, right-click and choose Extract. If it is an installer, double-click and follow the setup steps. When the extraction or installation is done, open the new folder. Inside, you will find the game file called Granny Recaptured. Double-click to start the game. It will run directly without Steam. If your antivirus shows a warning, it is often a false alert, because many players confirm the Game Jolt version works fine. Just make sure you only download from the official Game Jolt page. Now you can follow these steps on your own computer and enjoy the game. Thanks for watching.